left lobe of the liver is lifted by a stick inserted in P3. The gastric fundus is pulled to the left by P5. The stomach and hernial contents are pulled into the abdomen. The gastric fundus is pulled to the left by P4. For better exposure, it is important that the assistant pulls the hernial sac by P5 close to its edge to define the dissection plane between the sac and the mediastinal structures. The phrenoesophageal membrane is opened, exposing the anterior wall of the esophagus. The right crus of the diaphragm is identified and dissected. The edge of the right mediastinal pleura is identified and carefully mobilized laterally for the intrathoracic hiatal dissection. The left crus of the diaphragm is identified. The posterior closure of the hiatus is then initiated by double stitches with non-absorbable thread such as cotton 2-0 or similar. The mesh was introduced into the cavity and positioned around the esophagus. The same fixation procedure between the esophagus and both borders of the gastric fundus is performed above the fundoplication line.